Ever wondered how, in just 7 seconds, you form a complete picture of someone when you meet them? In the first few seconds of meeting someone, our brain is already hard at work, forming judgments and assumptions. But how do we make these snap decisions? And why do they matter so much? In this quick dive, we'll explore the fascinating science behind first impressions. Our brains are wired to assess people quickly, whether it's their appearance, body language, or even the tone of their voice. Studies show that within just 7 seconds, we form a perception of someone that can last a lifetime. But what exactly are we judging? Are we looking for trust, competence, or something else entirely? We'll break it down by showing how nonverbal cues, like eye contact, posture, and a firm handshake, play a crucial role in how others perceive us. It's not just about personal meetings. First impressions are key in job interviews, networking events, and even online interactions. These moments can shape how others see us and how we see them. Here's the twist. While we're quick to judge others, we're also being judged in the same way. So, how can we use this knowledge to make a lasting positive impact on others and improve our own first impressions? Stay tuned for this quick dive into human psychology. Understanding first impressions can shape our interactions, whether you're meeting a new friend, a boss, or a future partner.